At the moment, New Zealand's facing a severe shortage of skilled workers. It's programs like this that allow us to build some capacity.
Before working for Downer, I was incarcerated. Straight after I was released, I had the opportunity to be taking the basic training with Downer. They gave me the opportunity to be on the stormwater, which I currently do at the moment, and I'm happy about it. And I love the job that I'm doing.
It was a necessity that we needed to find a new stream of recruits to be able to bring in. And finding the people with the right attitude, and it is a good source of recruiting for us.
Before the Downer basic program, I was on a benefit trying to find a job. On my journey for Downer after I graduated, I started off as a TC, traffic control, come up with some ideas on how things could go a bit better and run a bit better and put it forward. And that's how I've got the new position I am in now. I never thought I'd get anywhere like this, especially with no high school qualifications. That's the only thing that's got me to where I am now is what I learnt on that course. Anyone should give it a go. It's turned my life completely around.
We know of people who were previously, who had no careers, who were reliant on social benefit, if you like, to survive, now have career paths. And these success stories are great because they can actually inspire people to follow suit.
Regular day on the job is us. We're usually out using the paver machine, and we've done quite a lot of work with the earthquake rebuild. There's been quite a lot of opportunities from the Downer program. I've just recently been selected to go to Germany for a one-week course in September. Apparently there's only 3 that's been selected from New Zealand. I would definitely recommend the Downer basic program. I really liked it. I got my wheels, tracks, rollers licence from it, and that sort of got me started, and it's very necessary in my job.
A program like this has a really positive impact on the communities that we serve. It enables us to have employees that are a good representation of our wider community.
When I moved to Auckland, went to the local WINS office to say I'd moved up here and said I'm looking for work, any type of labouring work. So they had my name down, and she called me up, and it was this one. First I asked her, what is Downer? Because what do they do? And she told me there's roadworks, infrastructure, water, you know, everything, heaps of stuff. So I was like, well, why not? Why not give it a go? Everyone is there for you. If you need something, everyone's, yeah, it's like a big family.
We've certainly been impressed with the quality of the applicants we've had in a lot of the intakes, and a lot of those people have progressed through into more senior roles in the business.
Before I came to Downer, I was actually working in hospitality, graveyard shifts, so the hours were a bit hard to get used to. Progress and growth that I've had since starting the program has been quite a lot. My favourite part working with Downer would be I get to learn all the time, and you can look back and see what you've done. It makes you feel good that you can see what you've accomplished. I feel quite privileged that I've been able to be one of the first original ones to start in the program and to see how big it's grown.
After the program, the first program that I was involved with, I saw that we attracted people from wider groups rather than standard industry people, which meant that we were now getting the net cast wider, if you like. Brought in people who had no preconceived notions of the industry, which is always a good thing. And hopefully these people will challenge the way we do things and help us improve.
Downer Excel is to do with just all the biosecurity role of things, so they look after all the possums, rabbiting, protecting native birds and native bush. I wanted to join Excel just because it was very intriguing. I like doing hunting in my spare time. I initially was going to join the NZ Army, but at the time this job came around and it was well paying, good hours, seems like a very interesting job, amount of skills to be learned. Yeah, it's a good team environment, everyone looks after each other, you make some good friends, the company looks after you, so it's not just another job at the end of the day, it's a good job with good opportunities.